Now you all must be wondering, Meghna has gone crazy. No, I have not gone crazy. I just want to show you one thing. Now you all can see the difference. This one eyebrow looks presentable, that is it looks very nice and it like amp ups or your look. Whereas if you see this eyebrow, I have not filled in this eyebrow and you all can see the half part of my face. It looks dull, right? So that is what right now the main aim of this video is. Yes, today in this video I am going to compare not one, not two, that is not two, but 3 eyebrow pencils all together in one video. Right now, before moving ahead with the video, let me please tell you to kindly subscribe my channel. That is, you can press the red subscribe button. Next to it there is a small bell icon. You can hit that bell icon as well for the notifications about my future uploads, and it's absolutely free. So if you want, you can ask your friends and family also to subscribe my channel. And if at all you are new over here, hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Meghna Manjrekar. I do have a lot of videos related to makeup hauls, skincare, hair care, accessories, and lot of other fun videos, and each and every video is listed under separate playlists. So if this is what you're looking out for, then definitely do consider subscribing my channel. After pressing subscribe the channel and then press the notification bell. Right now, let's begin with the video. Today, actually, I just want to ask you one thing. Does it happen with you that you mix up 2 brands together? Does it happen? It happens with me a lot of times. Like, I always mix up Miss Claire and Swiss Beauty brand together. Like, I don't know why, because they're both, mostly all the products, they look similar. I'm not sure why it happens with me. Now, in this also, I'll show you the eyebrow pencils. Y'all can see. I'll just hold it from here. Don't mind my nails. I have not applied the nail polish and all. But right now we are not focusing on my nails. We are focusing on the eyebrow pencils. Y'all can see. One of them is Swiss Beauty and one of them is Miss Claire. See, you can see the packaging and everything is ditto. Like the outer packaging and all, you can't make out. If at all you don't read the name, it's not possible for you to make out. Now, I'm not going to compare this to, also going to compare this in color, because right now I'm like, if you all are not aware, right now in color cosmetics is coming out. I'm not sure it was like they were having, but right now this brand is getting noticed like by lot of people. So I have purchased the in color eyebrow pencil as well. So altogether I have 3 eyebrow pencils and all 3 are in brown color or maybe dark brown color, whichever is available. Now what I'll do is, if I happen to see on my desk, then don't mind, I have my notes which is ready for each and every eyebrow pencil. So I'll be giving you first brief idea, then we will be moving with the hand swatch and everything, right? So first what we'll do is, we'll talk about the Swiss Beauty. This is the Swiss Beauty eyebrow pencil. You all can see Swiss Beauty eyebrow pencil. This retails for 65 rupees and it contains 1.8 grams in this. It is written over here 1.8 grams. 65 rupees is the MRP. It is made in PRC and the shade which I have is 102 dark brown. Okay, in this all together you get 4 shades. I'll just read out the shades for you if at all. Black, dark brown, grey and light brown. The shade which I got is 102 dark brown. This is what we have spoke about Swiss Beauty. This retails for 65 rupees. Now we'll talk about the in color one. This is the in color eyebrow pencil. Y'all can see. Right, this is the in color eyebrow pencil. Now this retails for 75 rupees. This is the MRP. Definitely you will get on discount. In this you get 1.8 grams of product. I think 1.8 is the similar for, no, in Miss Claire you'll be getting less, but with that we'll talk later. But in Swiss Beauty as well as in color you do get 1.8 grams of product. Okay, this retails for 75 rupees, but only the one con is that this comes only in 2 shades. One is black and one is brown. So the shade which I have is brown, and if you go about the black color, then the outer packaging will be black. That is what I have noticed while ordering it from Nykaa. I got all this from Nykaa. Don't worry, I'll be giving you the buying link in the description, not in the descriptions, it will be pinned in the comment section, so you can definitely go ahead and you can check. So this is the in color one. Okay, now the third we'll talk about is the Miss Claire one, and which is a very hyped and loved product from lot of people. This is Love product. Okay, now this Miss Claire one, it's waterproof eyebrow pencil. The shade which I have, again 02 dark brown. In this you do get 1.4 gram, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, in this you get 1.4 grams. This comes in 6 different shades: 01 black, 02 dark brown, 03 medium brown, 04 light brown, and 5 and 6 doesn't have the number. Unfortunately, I'm not sure why, but 5 and 6 number is sold out on Nykaa. MRP of this is 75 rupees, but the shade number 5 was on for 65 rupees. I don't know, and shade number 6 was for 53 rupees, but then 5 and 6 both were out of stock. I got is 02 dark brown. This is the 02 dark brown shade. Now you all can see, this is, I'm not sure whether I've shown you this pencil or no. The shelf life is pretty similar for all, like they have almost 3 years of shelf life. Only the difference is this 2 comes 1.8 and this comes from 1.4 gram. The Miss Claire one is little bit less. Now what I'll do is, I have given you all the like shade names and everything. What I'll do is, I'll swatch the 3 eyebrow pencils on my hand. First we will talk about the Swiss Beauty, and all the 3 eyebrow pencils comes with this kind of a brush. Okay, these all are sharpenable. It doesn't come with any kind of sharpener. You have to use your own sharpener. So first one is Swiss Beauty. I'll swatch all 3. This is the first shade, the Swiss Beauty one. This is the in color one. All are like creamy, easy to apply, because that is what I can make out from the eyebrow pencil. Y'all can see, I'll just show you. This last one is Swiss Beauty one. No, sorry, Miss Claire one. Again, I'm making mistake. The first one is, y'all can see, Swiss Beauty. The middle one is in color, and the last one is Miss Claire. Right? Now the Swiss Beauty and the Miss Claire, the outer packaging is also similar. That is, both the eyebrow pencils come with this kind of plastic wrapping. Right? Only one difference is that the Miss Claire one comes with again this kind of plastic wrapping, whereas the Swiss Beauty one doesn't come. This is the plastic wrapping. I'll just repeat the price because that is what is important right now. Swiss Beauty retails for 65 rupees, in color retails for 75 rupees, and Miss Claire also retails for 75 rupees. Right? So amongst these 3, Swiss Beauty is the cheapest, which is for 65 rupees. Now what I'll do is, I've just applied on my one side eyebrow. What I'll do is, I'll apply the other side over here, this. Then after that, I'll be comparing, like I'll just go off the camera, I'll remove the eyebrow, like eyebrow part, I'll remove this. Then on one side I'll apply one, and on the other side I'll apply 2. So right now in front of camera I'm applying the in color one. So I'll just apply it in front of you only. It is very buttery soft, so you can go overboard with it. I'll just use this brush only. Y'all can see, this is the in color one, this is the in color one, right? And all the like from this all swatches, I can definitely make out the in color one is the lightest, the next one is Swiss Beauty, and the little bit darker one is the Miss Claire one. So now what I'll do is, I'll just go off the camera, I'll remove these 2 eyebrows, then I'll come up again with the other 2 swatches on my eyebrows. Yeah, now you all can see I have removed my both the eyebrows. Now on my left hand side I'll be applying the Swiss Beauty one. Okay, now on the left hand side. So I'll just apply in front of the camera itself. Now you all can see, this is the applied part and this is the not applied part. So this is the Swiss Beauty one. Right, now this is the Miss Claire one. You all can see. Now on my right I'll apply the Miss Claire one. So and if at all you will feel I have applied little more, just because to show on camera I have applied little bit extra so that at least y'all can make out. And if at all y'all feel ki this side, left side, because I am a righty person, so whatever work I do, it's on my right side. It applies excellently on my right side, and left side it's always like. So if at all it is not proper, then of course you all know the eyebrows are twin sisters, they are not real sisters, so they never match, and at least in my case. So you all can see this is the Swiss Beauty one, this is the Miss Claire one. Now you all can easily basically I don't think there is much difference. Both the eyebrow pencils, for me it is giving me the same effect, everything. Of course Miss Claire one is a little bit more you can say matching to my skin, matching to my hair, like it is giving me a proper matching effect, that is what I can say. Whereas the Swiss Beauty one is little bit darker. Of course you can go light handed, but definitely Miss Claire one is giving me a good effect, good payoff, whatever you call. So if you ask me, out of 3, my first one is Miss Claire, the second one is Swiss Beauty, and the third one is In Color. In Color one is not at all bad, but then definitely In Color has only 2 options, that is black and brown. Sometimes some people have light brown, some people have dark brown complexion, so definitely they are going to have little bit problem. Of course you can fill the eyebrows with your eyeshadows also, but what I feel always is the particular work which is assigned to a particular thing, you should go do that way only, because that is what actually the work of eyebrow pencil is. Basically you can definitely, there is no rules for makeup, you can use anything. So I think I have cleared your each and every doubt. Still, if you have any query related to any product or related in general, definitely you can leave a comment in the comment section. I will try to resolve your query as soon as possible, or else if you want to DM me on Instagram, I'll give you my Instagram handle also over here. You can directly message me over there. I'll be like more than happy to help you. If at all it is in my limit, or if at all it is in my access, I'll be more than happy. And if you have any other video suggestions on which you want me to make a video on, that also you can definitely let me know in the comment section. I'll be readily making a video for you. And last not least, I just would like to tell you, because I do get lot of questions regarding my lipstick. Right now the lipstick which I have applied is Blue Heaven Hyper Stay Weightless Liquid Lipstick. It is in the shade 05. This is the shade. I have applied this on my lipstick. I have a full review video for this. If at all you have not watched, then definitely you are missing something. Definitely go ahead and watch that video. I'll link that video up in the I button as well as in the description box. So don't forget to watch this video, because this is a very good helpful video. In that I have swatched almost 10 shades, which is with and without makeup. So definitely a must watch video, just FYI. Right now I have reviewed all these 3 eyebrow pencils for you. 3 looks similar except the middle one. This is the final image, or whatever you call. Right, so these are the 3 eyebrow pencils. Definitely give it a huge thumbs up if you are watching till here. That means you are liking my content. If yes, give it a huge thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and family. If at all you feel I am little bit down, definitely I am having some issues, not in my personal life, not in professional life, some other issues. So definitely I am little bit low today. Please don't mind if you feel that, so then I'm extremely sorry for that. And if I have made some mistakes in the video, then also please forgive me, because this video was little bit important for me, because I always get confused. So I thought, why not to share my confusion with you all, right? Yeah, that is all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.